Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, engine block heater, glass breakage sensor. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.